For decades, our universal and traditional entrance gates have been hand-assembled with durable fixtures at our headquarters in Kent, a tradition that endures to this day. Unigates, also known as wooden or timber field gates, are a type of gate system designed to be highly versatile and adaptable to various applications and settings. They are commonly used in farms, rural properties, village properties, driveway entrance gates, and businesses. Our Unigates are available in various widths, in both single-leaf and double-leaf configurations. The standard height is 1.27 metres, consisting of 5 bars including the top rail and cross-bracing. Our Unigates are named as such because they are universal and can be hung right or left-handed. Gates are designed with a heavy chamfered top rail over the entire width for extra strength, with a planed all-around finish and chamfered top bar and a cross-braced design which adds additional strength. All joints are mortised and tenoned for stability and durability, with high-quality materials and stainless steel fixings used throughout. Our universal field gate posts are designed to provide robust support for field gates. They are stress-relieved by having a saw cut in the middle of one side to avoid unsightly splits. We have a number of accessories available, including gate hanging kits and anti-lift devices. All timber is covered by our 25-year guarantee against rot and insect attack. We also supply several different gate types, such as traditional wooden entrance gates, courtyard gates, metal field gates, and estate gates.